Come on.
Come here. I'm dead serious.
That's an alligator.
Dude. Holy crap. Mike, get the pellet gun quick.
Look at that thing.
Crocodile.
Is
Yeah.
that thing even real?
Get a freaking pellet
Come on.
quick.
It's a crocodile.
How you doing in there?
Wow, where do you think he came from?
Maybe that's what bit your hand.
What?
Get a little front running quick. I'm gonna grab my pellet
Oh
gun.
my word.
I'm gonna go and grab my pellet gun.
That's
Don't stop.
crazy. Is that even, I don't know if that's real. That doesn't look real. That can't be real.
No. I just saw the
I was gonna
side
say,
of
that can't be real.
As soon as I saw the side of it on the mouth.
That's funny.
Get your shit on.